My name is James Eze. I am standing right here on the apron of the Anambra International Airport at Runway that is fast becoming a reality. This is a typical example of what happens when a dream turns to a reality. If you look right behind me, you will see the terminal building coming up like a mushroom sprouting out of the earth. That is the substance of the dream coming to reality. Over there in the distance is the control tower, almost completed. Over there is the taxiway, and then the second largest runway in the country. These components make up the comprehensive structure known as the Anambra International Airport, Umeri. It is a dream that is fast becoming a reality. For naysayers, we can no longer live in denial because this has come to stay. This is a dream, and this is the dream that Governor Obianoh hatched for the people of Anambra State.
Airbus or A380 can take it, but the critical aircraft for this airport is Boeing 747. The wing of Boeing 747 is 65 meters. This airport, the orientation is such that the plane can land from either side. Can land from 24, can land from 06. And we have the free zone or the RESA, runway end safety area, about 1 kilometer. Which means if there's any overshoot, you can equally control yourself.
Is it paved?
It's paved to about 240. We are going to pave to 240. But every other place will be free of any obstruction.
So technically, this is the longest runway in Africa. Yeah, because the rail runway for the plane is 3.7. Lagos is 3.9, but Lagos has only one
RESA,
and we have two. So if we add our two 1 kilometer, it becomes 5.7 kilometers. So that's the longest airport in Africa, you know. And this runway you are seeing will be finished in 8 days, complete. It will be finished in 8 days, complete.